All right, PropStat students, in this video I am going to show you how to make a pie chart by hand. So in this situation, I surveyed my students and I asked them what color their frogs were, and these were the answers I got. 2 had purple, 3 had red, 5 had green, 1 had yellow, and 5 had blue. Altogether, that means there were 16 frogs. To find the percentage of the class that had each color, I divided the number that had that color, so 2 had purple, by the total to get 0.125, which is the same as 12.5%. And then I repeated that. I divided all of my counts by 16 to find the rate. So remember that the amount is also called the count, and the percentage is the rate. Okay, so it can be kind of tricky to find these percentages on a circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut my circle in half and in half again. And I'm going to try it. If I do it poorly, to make this circle, I just traced something. I traced my seltzer can. See, I can see that's not exactly right. It's a little bit too high. That's why I used a pencil. I'm going to try it again. Go a little bit lower. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should show some effort. Okay, so about halfway, and then I want to go about halfway in this direction as well, so I have it in fourths. Okay, so not great. I think it should be a little bit to the left. And so I'm just going to try again. And then once I have it in fourths, I'm just going to use that as a guideline because each fourth is 25%. I don't need 25%, but it's going to help me. Okay. So the first one is 12.5%, and that is half of 25%. So I need about half of this for the purple. Now, if you have colors at home, you can color the pie graph. It'll look lovely. I don't have any colors, so I'm just going to put 12.5% purple. All right. So remember, each is 25%, 25%, 25%. This whole thing is 25%. All right. I also have a 6.25%, and I know that that is half of 12.5%. So half of this piece here, that should give me my 6.25%. So 6.25% yellow. Okay. I have 2 that are 31.25%, and that's going to be 25% plus 6.25%. So that here could make a 31%. So let's do the first one, green. So 31.25% green. Okay, I got this, this. All right, so now I'm about 50% left here. Okay, I need another 31.25%, and I know it should be about as big as this one. So I'm just going to mirror it over here. So I'm just showing you how I can reason through this to get some pie pieces that look approximately right. On your project, you're going to use software, but being able to do it by hand really helps you understand the concepts of the percentages. Okay, so I'm erasing this one here, and I have another 31.25%, and that was blue. Okay. So what I should be left with is this one, 18.75% yellow. And then once you have your pie graph, and it looks nice, you might want to go over it with some markers to make it look nice. Then you are going to hold it up to your camera on your webcam, and you're going to use insert, image, camera, and then take a picture of your pie graph, and then that picture should be automatically inserted into your document.